In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track order on Best Buy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can quickly check the progress of your purchase, whether it's shipping to your home or getting ready for store pickup. First, open your preferred web browser and head straight to bestbuy.com. Make sure you're on the official site so you get accurate, up-to-date information. If the homepage looks a little different from what you remember, don't worry. Best Buy refreshes its design from time to time, but the process is the same. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top of the screen for the order status link. On desktop, it's usually near the upper right, close to the account and cart icons. On mobile, it may appear within the main menu or along the header area. The wording is consistent, order status, so it should be easy to spot. Go ahead and click order status to move forward. After you click, you'll land on the order status page. From here, Best Buy typically presents a simple path to view your recent orders if you're signed in, or to look up an order if you checked out as a guest. The page will outline your purchase details and current status in plain language. Common statuses include processing, which means your order details are confirmed and being prepared, preparing for pickup, which indicates an in-store pickup order is almost ready, shipped, where you'll usually see carrier and tracking details, and delivered or ready for pickup, signaling your item has arrived at its destination. If tracking is available, the page generally provides a link to view carrier updates, and those updates may take a little time to refresh as the package moves through the network. A few quick tips can make this smoother. Keep your order number handy. It's found in your confirmation email, and watch your inbox for shipping or pickup notifications. During busy seasons or product launches, statuses can take a bit longer to change, and estimated dates may shift slightly based on inventory or weather. For store pickup orders, bring a valid ID when you head in, and wait for the ready for pickup notification so you don't arrive too early. If you pre-ordered something, you'll usually see an expected release date, and the status will update as that date approaches. That's it. Start at bestbuy.com, click order status, and you're in the right place to see every detail about your order. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you track your purchase with confidence.